Hey there, welcome to this informational video in which I discuss some simple tips on how to take care of your kidneys. And be sure to stick around to the end of the video where I'll be giving away a link to a free ebook titled The Best Foods for Managing Diabetes Naturally. We must first ask ourselves of how it happens. In simple terms, the process would be as such. High glucose levels would damage your blood vessels in the kidneys. When such damage occurs, your kidneys can no longer do their job of cleaning your blood properly. When the job can't be done properly, this would mean your body keeps in the extra salt and fluid than it should, putting you in the red zone. The effects of extra salt and fluid can result in weight gains and ankle swelling. Here are a few tips to help you prevent these problems. Strictly monitor your blood sugar levels. Always keep them in your target range. Keep your blood pressure down. Higher the blood pressure, faster the progression of kidney disease. Do some aerobic exercises. This should be done at least 3 times a week for 20 to 30 minutes each session. Eat a healthy diet, which includes low cholesterol, low fat, and sodium diet. Avoid smoking and drink in moderation. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video useful. Here is that book I promised you all at the beginning of this video. Simply click on the Get Free ebook button in this video here, and you will be one step closer to obtaining your free ebook. Have a great day.